Hello, I am Péter from the University of Vienna, and today I'm going to tell you about Draco 2. This is an exciting collaboration between the University of Washington, the University of Vienna, the University of Maryland, and Carnegie Mellon University. Draco was introduced in 2018 as a formal model that represents visualizations as sets of logical facts and design guidelines as a collection of hard and soft constraints over these facts. One of its main goals was to bridge the gap between visualization design guidelines and their application in visualization tools. Draco provided a reusable and extensible knowledge base, making visualization offering faster and safer. It also enabled automated design and critique through computational reasoning about the knowledge collected in the knowledge base while making the models testable and shareable. Although Draco has been echoing in academia since its publication, and works like Too Many Cooks, Test Quiz, and many other tools make use of it, the system comes with limitations. Draco created the foundations for making visualization design knowledge a shared resource by formalizing it as constraints. However, it did not fully follow through on the idea of making it an open platform for discussion about visualization design among researchers and practitioners. Starting off with Draco's setup, users often found themselves juggling between two distinct environments, as both Node.js and Python were prerequisites to run it. Now, for many in data analytics, Python is familiar territory, but Node.js not so much. This dual requirement often posed a steeper learning curve. Another significant roadblock was the absence of clear and thorough documentation, making it really hard to get started with the system, let alone building something meaningful on top of it. Draco 1's knowledge base and its rendering were tightly bound to the Vegalite visualization grammar, restricting the system's expressiveness. As different visualization tools rely on different means to render charts, this inflexibility also hindered Draco's widespread adoption. Lastly, let's talk about reliability. Before adopting a platform, you would want assurance that it's rock solid and provides you with useful developer tooling. Unfortunately, the low test coverage of Draco 1 and the rudimentary tooling around the system did not provide the necessary assurance for it to be embraced as a platform for future research. And that's precisely where Draco 2 steps in. We provide a quick and easy, pure Python setup, a thorough, interactive documentation site, a flexible and extensible chart specification format, as well as 100% unit test coverage accompanied by various utilities around the development of the platform. Adding Draco 2 to a project no longer involves setting up a Node.js and Python environment. All you need to do to get started is to have an activated Python 3.10 environment and execute pip install Draco. This isn't just about simplifying a process and providing a better developer experience. It's about accessibility. By making Draco 2 so easy to install, we are inviting more of you to try it out, play with it, and see its potential for yourselves. Documentation often makes or breaks a user's experience with a tool. That's why with Draco 2, we have gone above and beyond. As you can see, our documentation isn't just thorough, it's alive. Every section, every example, they were designed to guide and inform. We have integrated hands-on examples you can interact with, making it easier to grasp Draco's concepts by witnessing them in action. With Draco 2, we are not just presenting a tool, we are handing you a manual too so that you can explore the platform with confidence. But beyond guidance, what truly sets Draco 2 apart from its predecessor is its approach to formal representation of charts. Draco 1 was strictly tied to a subset of the Vegalite visualization grammar, limiting its adaptability and hindering its potential for broader integration across diverse visualization tools. Draco 2 introduces a generic, render-agnostic chart specification format, allowing for custom integration with various visualization libraries. Like getting independent from Vegalite, we preserve compatibility with it by shipping an Altair-based renderer with the platform by default. The new chart specification format provides a palette of visualization options which were not supported by Draco 1. With Draco 2, users can model multi-view and multi-layer charts effortlessly. While this generic chart description language is expressive by default, we designed it with extensibility in mind. Should you need to describe additional context around visualizations, such as a theme to be used for styling or the preferred analytical task of users, adapting the language is as easy as modifying a JSON object. While the flexibility to adapt is crucial, it's just as essential to trust the platform you are working with. And that brings us to reliability. Draco 2 features 100% unit test coverage, ensuring that it stands robust and reliable for your applications and is prepared to be built on top of. No matter how robust the system is, it needs to be enhanced with the right developer tools so that it can become a truly accessible platform. Draco 2 comes with an interactive debugger, making it possible to inspect the knowledge base of design guidelines and to help users tune their preferences. Focusing on making our system easy to adopt, we equipped our platform with a dedicated Python web server. It exposes Draco 2's capabilities through a REST API, broadening its potential applications in existing projects. Finally, recognizing the importance of quick in-browser explorations, we also distribute Draco 2 as a WebAssembly package. This lets you tap into some of the features right from your browser. Having explored Draco 2's capabilities in depth, let's take a step back and review the bigger picture. In summary, we believe that Draco 2 is a real leap compared to Draco 1. It is significantly easier to get started with thanks to the dependency simplifications and thorough documentation we have provided. Our new chart description language adds layers of flexibility, not being tied down to any renderer, enabling you to offer your visualizations as you wish. With full unit test coverage and comprehensive developer tooling, Draco 2 ensures a more robust and developer-friendly experience relative to its predecessor. Aligned with our goal of making Draco 2 into an open platform for future research in visualization modeling, the entire system is available on GitHub. There, you can also find links and examples to jumpstart an exploration. We are eager to hear your feedback and welcome all contributions to the project. We can't wait to see the innovative ways the VIS community will leverage Draco 2.